and their colors with Squishee Nugget in this ABC box. Blue Manta Ray. Gray Gorilla. White Hen. Green Frog. Black Jaguar. Orange Fish. Giraffe with brown spots. Gray Elephant. Baby Jack with a red outfit. Purple Hippo. Gray Dolphin. Blue Shark. Red Ant. Green Alligator. Orange and green Spider. Blue Manta Ray. Gray Gorilla. White Hen. Green Frog. Black Jaguar. Orange Fish. Giraffe with brown spots. Gray Elephant. Baby Jack with a red outfit. Purple Hippo. Gray Dolphin. Blue Shark. Red Ant. Green Alligator. Orange and green Spider. Thanks so much for learning about animals and their colors with Squishee Nugget. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these fun learning videos.